Here's the first one. Thumbs up when you have a solution. Okay, I see lots of thumbs up. That's great. Who would like to share their answer with me? Okay. 10. Did anybody get a different answer?
Nope.
Remember, we're showing respect for everyone's answers, so we need to wait.
I don't have a different answer. I have a different way you could show it.
Okay, good. Hold that thought. Okay. Did anybody get a different answer other than 10?
No.
Did you get a different answer?
Don't be crazy. So I think the answer is actually 11.
You think the answer is 11? Okay. Who would like to share with me how they got the answer 10? Okay, I'm going to come back to you because you said you had a different way of doing it. Can you share how you solved it?
So I solved it in my brain, not like that. Solved it like,
Can you tell me and I'll write it for you?
it's like a line right there,
Uh-huh.
and then a line right there.
Uh-huh. So you drew a number line?
Yeah.
Okay. And what goes here?
Um,
What number?
7.
7. Okay.
And then right there, plus.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then 3.
Yeah.
And then the line on the bottom.
Oh, you're doing it that way. Okay. But what did you do in your head when you added it? What did your head do?
I made sure it was the right answer.
You made sure it was the right answer. But when you were adding in your head, what were you thinking? Were you looking at fingers in your head? Were you picturing dots that you were counting?
I was counting.
Were you counting up?
Yeah.
So tell me what that sounded like. Say out loud what was going on in your head. So you started at 7. Then what did you do?
And then I used my fingers and I was like 8, 9, 10.
8, 9, 10. Like that?
Yeah.
Okay. So you counted up. Did anybody do it in a different way?
My dad taught me the same time. So you could say that like you're 7 and then it could be like 1, 2, 3, like, so if you're 7 and then go. It's so complicated. I can't really think right now.
Okay. You can think about it and we'll come back to you if you remember. Okay? Yeah.
I didn't do it in a different way. I had it like in my brain. Like,
How many of you just knew, like her, that 7 plus 3 is 10? Okay. And that's fair enough. Okay, we're going to do our second one. And this one's going to be a little bit harder. Okay, is everybody ready? Remember, if your thumb's up, you can try to solve it in a second way. Okay, I see most of our thumbs up, so I'm going to ask for some answers. What did you get?
20.
You got 20, okay. Did anybody get a different answer? What did you get?
I got 40.
40, okay. Did anybody get a different answer? What did you get?
I got 22. 22.
22? Anybody else? So these are our answers. Okay. Who would like to share their strategy with us? How did you solve the problem? Okay.
First we did 8 plus 2 And I knew that in my head that was 10. And then I did 6 plus 4, I knew that in my head that was 10. So I plus 10 plus 10 plus 20.
Can you tell me why you did 8 plus 2 first?
Because you're adding a smaller number into a bigger one.
So you're adding the smaller number 2 onto a bigger number, which is 8?
No, you're adding the smaller number, yeah.
Okay. I might come back to you in a minute. Okay, so thank you for your solution. I'm going to see if somebody solved it in a different way, and then I might come back to your solution. Did somebody solve it in a different way? How did you do it?
I used my favorite design.
Okay, so what number did you start with?
I started with 8
You started with 8?
and 8 plus 6, then I did 2 plus 4.
Okay, so if we were to show that on a number line, you started with 8, and did you count up? So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then?
And then I did 2 plus 4.
2 plus 4. Did you do 2 plus 4 first? You added 2 and then you added 4? So what did you do after 14?
After 14, I went 15, 16, then
15, 16, okay.
then 17, 20.
Okay, great. Did anybody solve it a different way? I'm going to take one more solution. So I want you to make sure that it's a different solution than one of these two, and I'm standing in front of them, so I should move. Who is absolutely certain that they have a different solution? Okay.
4 plus 6 is 10, and anything plus 10 is 1 is always the number of 1, then it's 18, and then 18 plus 2 is 20.
Okay, so you did 6 plus 4 is 10, and then you added,
8, anything plus, you just added 1.
can you say that nice and loud for people to hear?
Anything that you add to 10, you just add a 1. It's from like 1 to 9. If you add not anything from 1 to 9, you just have to add an extra 1.
In front?
Yeah. Like, then you just
Did everybody hear that?
yes. Yes.
Raise your hand if you find it easy to add numbers onto 10. Super easy to add numbers onto 10. So, and then you added 18 plus 2 is 20. I have a question. Of these 3 solutions, which 2 are similar? Which 2 solutions are similar? And I hope you can tell me why.
No, sit down.
The first one and the third one are similar.
And how are they similar?
Because, like, in the first one, they did 8 plus 2 and 6 plus 4. So they took 2 numbers and added them together. And in the other one, they did the same, but, like, they took another number that it eats.
Okay. Does anybody else notice anything about what's similar between the numbers? So you're right. In both cases, they added 2 numbers and then 2 numbers and then added them together. You're right. Anything else that's similar?
The second, the one right there is 6 plus 4 is 10, and the one right there is 6 plus 4 is 10.
Okay. You're right. Yeah.
18 plus 2 equals 20 is a number. 18 and 2 other become the 20.
And it comes to 20. Okay.
Can I show my answer 40?
And we're going to do another one because you're going to see some similarities. And this one's a little bit, I don't know if you find it easier or harder.